Galopin had gotten his sail back from Tuga, the sailmaker. Now we had to have the right moment to hoist it. And it was not now. Because of the work going on to build a new cruise ship terminal, the ferries had less room to maneuver, and I was too close to the terminal dock. The Maritime Police said I had to move, and these captains know their ships, and how to handle their ladies in mean-ass wind conditions. So I have total respect for the sailors handling these boats. I moved immediately. So here's an opportunity to show you how I anchor Galopin. So first, I look around for the best spot. This feels pretty good right here. So then I go to the anchor locker on the bow. My windlass remote is there, and I like it that way, because I like to watch my anchor lower into the water correctly. I have a better perspective than from the cockpit. If I need to put the engine in reverse, I jot back and do so. But today, there is wind and current pushing me back, so I don't need the motor. Now watch. Galopin is drifting back, and I wait for the anchor to take. It does, so now I let out more chain. Wait until that sets. Galopin will pivot into place. I repeat until I've put out enough chain for my depth. Here there is 5 to 6 meters, so technically 30 meters of chain is enough. Well, I put out almost all my chain. Wind will gust here up to 50 knots. And so far, my Mantis anchor and 50 meters of chain have not failed me. Final touch is the snubber. This one has been very reliable. Then I tighten the lines, close the hatch, and there you go. Since I was above the V-berth hatch, I saw another thing to deal with.
It's time to remove this plastic wrap from my porthole here. When I go again, I'll put new on, because now this one's all like dusty and salty. But it served me well. This works. I had a really leaky porthole here. I tightened it really tight. I tried to use Vaseline, and it just, wouldn't work. And my bed here would be soaked, man, soaked. And this last crossing, and believe me, it sprayed. There was a lot of water washing over the boat. It was completely dry.
Now is the moment. When I say a moment, I mean that. It's a moment when the wind calms, and moments like these here are very rare. There was still enough of a breeze just to annoy me, and this process here took me about 4 hours. And there it was. What's up? Galopin wanted to go. What took me so long was getting the reefs tied correctly, but it was done. I'll have to get this fixed next, the UV protection on the Genoa, but that's not so serious, and it will have to wait.
So I'm pretty happy. Dude did a hell of a job. I can sail again. I don't know if you saw, but Galopin was ready to go, man. He was going straight for Simon's boat there, and last moment, the anchor pulled him to port, and he tacked and started going off the other way, man. It was amazing. Hey, Lucas! I just got my sail fixed. That's Lucas, good friend from Denmark. Did you see it? I destroyed it when I went to Santantao. He's got chartered thing going on with his catamaran. So he's got 4 Danish guys with him and stuff, and fishing and cruising around. He's cool, man. He's a hell of a spear fisherman. Can go really deep, like up to, I think he said 20 meters, maybe even 30. I forget, but he goes deep and he can hold his breath a long time, and he's a partier too, man. He's cool. Anyways, maybe I'll see him later. I go into town now, since I'm done with my sail. I think I might go in town. I'm kind of feel like I'm missing out. Making some food first, a couple of little tuna steaks.
I couldn't resist. The power of the music was just too attractive for me. My dinghy was running, and running well. This is the actual speed. I did not speed up the video for an effect. My light little beat-up dinghy sure rips. And once there, the mood was Brazil. Focusing on the rhythm section because they're often playing at the floating bar, as well as with major acts I've seen here, and I love the rhythm section. Since I've been here, I've been introduced to all new music from my young friends. And the big discovery has been music from the Portuguese and African worlds. And what a discovery. This is one of Wendy's new favorite songs by Cape Verdean singer Jocelyn. The song is called Voyage, or Your Kiss, and she sings it in Creole.
Quando mandas I love when you boss it. Let me know if you're ready or not. Tipo Fuji's my girl, cause you killing me softly. Ninguém vai destruir o que temos, é for life. A química é real, no bad vibe. Eu só te quero a ti no meu bedside. Entre nós nada vai mudar. És a blessing que Deus me deu. Elas queriam o teu lugar, mas saber que boinha cresceu. A tua garra felina, viciado nessa melanina. I got your back, sempre que brilhas. Diva africana, princesa das ilhas. Voyage em a cura. Senti que ele doçura. Voyage em a cura. Pra mais que me querer fugir, me gata poder. Já vou encantar, bota fazendo sal. Voyage a conquistar minha coração. Já vou encantar, bota fazendo sal. Voyage a conquistar minha coração.
nisso. Vem vou levar uma boa.
Jocelyn, Jimmy.
Sounds like I swallowed a duck. Taking out Galopin for a test cruise. We'll check on the new sail. Now I gotta turn on the instruments, the autopilot, close all the portholes or the hatches. And it's a beautiful day today. Wind is mild. Peter's coming with his chicks. I'm going alone. We'll meet over there at Fantasia, the natural pools beach. So let's see what happens. Pretty excited. Go Galopin, go. Now this is also a little test sail to go to Senegal in a few days. Don't want to say yet. See Deus quiser. Inshallah, God willing, yeah. All right, so here we go.
It was great to have you along on this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, give us a like and subscribe. You'll help us navigate better. Me and my boat Galopin promise you a good time every Wednesday. So welcome aboard.